Now we are going to see what is e-commerce and what is ERP and how the both e-commerce and ERP are interrelated. Okay, so how ERP it is helping e-commerce platform to maintain their business. So let me share the screen. Yes. So now let us see what is e-commerce. So e-commerce it is an electronic commerce. Just wait for a minute. Yeah. So e-commerce it is an electronic commerce and simply buying and selling products or services over the internet. So if I ask e-commerce like for the 20 years before, like for example in 2000 or 1998, nobody is aware of what is e-commerce. Now, if you ask e-commerce, everybody will answer that is an electronic commerce. That is buying and selling goods through online platform. Now, everybody is aware of what is Flipkart and what is Amazon. So when we go back to 2000, the concept does not exist, and not many people are aware of the particular e-commerce. Okay, so now, so even after the Flipkart has entered the market or Amazon has entered this market, many consumer or a customer or a people they are not aware of this particular platform, and they didn't get the confidence of buying the products from e-commerce platform. But now in this contemporary world, we all daily or weekly ones or monthly ones buying all goods from the e-commerce platform. So everybody knows what is e-commerce platform. That is simply of buying and selling products or services over the internet. Okay, so e-commerce platform is not only in a Flipkart or an Amazon or Jabong or eBay, and we can tell Mintra or Max or Trends or anything. See, any business you own, suppose for example, we are running supermarket, and if you create a own website, and if you sell products through the particular website, that is called as an e-commerce. Okay, so now let us see the example. Look to this slide. Consider Amazon. Instead of going to a physical store, you can browse Amazon website, select the items you want, and pay online. So Amazon then arranges for the items to be shipped to your doorstep. So the process for any customer or any user, they just need to scroll down the page and they'll be selecting the product. And if they need to choose, they can choose, or if they don't want to buy, they will not buy. So it depends upon our situation whether you can select the product. There is not any compulsion that you have to buy the product, and even if you buy the product, you will have two options. The one is in return option, another one is refund option. So every customer they have satisfaction and they have confidence in buying the product. Okay, so this is what a simple example. So if you go to Amazon or Flipkart, when you buy any product, so that is an example of an e-commerce. Now we'll look into the types of e-commerce. So we have many types of e-commerce. The first one is business to consumer. So what is business to consumer? So this is when a business sells directly to the individual customer. For example, that is we'll tell as in B2C, that is business to consumer. Business is a business. Okay, what is business? It sell goods and services to the customers. Now to consumer is the person who consumes the product, or the see, this is what in business to consumer. So this is when a business sells directly to the individual customers. For example, so I'm a woman, I'm going to order a sari from Mintra website. So Mintra, they are running a business through their e-commerce platform. In their e-commerce platform, they'll have a many sellers. So from the Mintra, I'm getting the sari which I've ordered as a customer. So this is what B2C. The next one is in B2B, that is business to business. Now, a platform, they are making business and selling the product, and as a customer, I'm buying the product to sell to somebody. So this is what a business to business. They are selling the product for business. I'm buying Why I'm buying? To sell the same product. So I am making business. That is what in business to business. Now let us see. Here, one business sells goods or services to another business. For example, a company that makes T-shirts sell them in a bulk to store like a Reliance Trends. We can also take India Mart. Okay, so if you go and order any product in India Mart, you're supposed to order in a bulk quantity. So they are also running a business. They are maintaining a website. Okay, and they have a website. So through website, for example, I'm going to sell T-shirts. Okay, so if I want to sell T-shirt, I'll be ordering the T-shirts, the bulk of T-shirts from the India Mart website. Okay. So after ordering the product, I'll be receiving all the product. Why I've ordered? I ordered to sell the product. So that is what a business to business. So first one we have seen is in business to consumer, and the second one is business to business. Now the third one is consumer to consumer. Now many of them we have heard about OLX. Okay, so that is an easy thing. So that is what consumer people sell products to other people. Okay, so I have an individual login and another user will have an individual login. So if I want to sell my or to say any used product, for example, I have a stool and I have a laptop which is already used. Okay, so just I want to resell to anybody else. I didn't want to go and search in I don't want to go and ask to my friends or family or neighbor. So if I have OLX application, I can enter, I can register, I can sign in, and I would see the many listings, okay, where the many customer they are willing to buy the laptop, okay, so that easily I can sell my product to another person. That is what. So I am a consumer who use the laptop, and I am selling to another person. What is the purpose? They are also used to. They are also going to use the product. So that is what in consumer to consumer. Next, so for example, we'll see you sell your old phone on OLX to someone else who wants to buy it. So that is what consumer to consumer. The first one we have seen is a business to consumer. The second one is a business to business. And third one is a consumer to consumer. The next one we just see consumer to business. So what is consumer to business? Individuals sell products or services to business. A photographer sells images to a website, or a freelancer offers services. Now, for example, I'm a person, okay, I used to take a beautiful picture, so I like I'm basically a photographer. So if I want to sell my my products, for example, what is my product here? The photographic images. Okay, so what I'll just go and search in a website. I'll be selling that to the another party. So that is what in consumer to business. I am selling to another party. So the another party, they'll be making money from the particular photograph images. Okay, so this is what types of e-commerce we have. Next, how e-commerce works. Everybody knows this. So browsing and selecting products. So I'll be first of all, if I need to order a mobile phone, I'll be browsing. Okay, so what are the things usually all the user will see? They'll be seeing the brand and how it is the look and what is the specification, feature, and what is the price, especially, and what is the quality, reviews, ratings. So everything you can be able to see when you do purchasing online. That is an e-commerce platform. Okay, so first, that is what the first step is in browsing and selecting products. The second one, payment. So after selection, obviously I'll be making a payment. That is in a cash on delivery or through GPay. It depends upon the payment mode. So how is that customers are feeling, and whether they need to pay in person, like in a cash on delivery, or through online payment. Then after the payment is fulfilled, I'll be getting an order. So this is how the e-commerce works. What is the advantage? Everybody knows it is a convenience from anywhere. Even sitting in a bed, you can able to order your product. You don't want to go, pay for any transportation fees, and you don't want to spend your time in, standing in a queue, or you just need to go enter in, and it will take time when you go and buy products through in a physical mode. Okay, so this is what. So global reach. See, yes, if I want to buy any product which is very famous in Kerala or in Karnataka, if I click the website, I can easily able to buy the product. So this is what, and it has a global reach. So this is what in general idea of what is e-commerce. Okay, so now let us I just give you revision of what is e-commerce. So e-commerce is a process of buying and selling goods and services through online platform. That is very important. Okay, So we have many different types of e-commerce. So if you say e-commerce, we have many applications. We have Flipkart, we have Amazon, we have Myntra, we have Meesho, on all the things we have. Okay, we can take Alibaba also. Okay, now, so I told you one thing, like e-commerce is not only Flipkart or Amazon. Even if I'm running any bakery, or if I'm running any what to say, fashion retailer, jewelry, whatever it may be, I can create my own website and my customers can order and place an order through that website. Okay, so this is what an e-commerce. Now we'll see what is ERP, and finally I let you know how is this both ERP and e-commerce they're interrelated, and how ERP is helping to make e-commerce business in a very successful manner. Okay, now we'll just go to what is ERP, that is enterprise resource planning. Okay, so enterprise resource planning, it is a very simple thing. It is a software, nothing else. Okay, now it is a software that helps a company manage all its core processes in one place, from accounting to inventory to human resources and customer service. So ERP system integrate all business functions so data flows smoothly between departments. Now, for example, I'll tell you, we have e-commerce platform. For example, I am running a textile shop. Now, I own a website. Okay. Now, for example, I have a software in the sense, now, for example, A is a person, he is ordering a chudidar through my website. Okay. So, sorry, he is making an order. Okay. After making an order, how do my inventory department knows that one order is getting reduced? Okay. And how do that production department knows that another the quantity of the chudidar or sari has to be get produced? Okay, so there comes the ERP. Now for example, we'll take Flipkart itself. Now I'm going to order for example, let us assume a sari. Okay, if I'm going to order a sari, now the first step is I'll be ordering sari. That process is called as an order processing. Okay, if I'm ordering, see in Flipkart we have many sellers. How was the Flipkart is working? Under Flipkart we have many sellers. For example, I am choosing the sari. The seller name is, for example, the seller name is like we'll just see take Ram Textiles. Okay, so Ram Textile is a supplier. He is a seller who is going to sell my products to my address or location. Now I've chosen that product, so that is called as an order processing. Once if I click select or buy now, the notification is sent to the seller. Okay. Once the notification is sent to seller, what will happen? The seller will make my product get ready. Now the seller will have the inventory, right? So for example, let us assume the particular model sari quantity is the inventory which is available with him is only 10. Now I have ordered one sari, so the inventory will be 9. Okay, so this automatic process, the notification is automatically sent to the inventory department. Okay, so this is what ERP. There is not a single person or a human, they need to sit and write all the thing like, if one person is ordered, so we need to reduce 10 minus 1, that is 9. Okay, there is not a particular thing that we need to follow. If you implement ERP software in any business, it is a thing which integrates all the department in the organization or in the business. Okay, so the notification is automatically sent to the inventory department. For example, it not only focuses on inventory, it also focuses on a purchase, sales, and all the things. Once the order is delivered, the notification is sent to the seller and also the Flipkart website. So the all the process which is taken care of the ERP.